This is our model number 36, automatic street light intensity control based on vehicle movement on highways. In this project, we have tried to put some street lights in the form of LEDs. These are the street lights in the form of LEDs, and this is the road. We have some sensors across the roads, and what we notice is that when the vehicle passes, the lights ahead of it will go on glowing, and the trailing lights will go on switching off like this. Like for example, if anybody comes on the road, the lights ahead of it will go on glowing, and the trailing lights will go on switching off. Can see it again? So the lights ahead, that means once it leaves, the trailing light goes switched off and it goes on switching on the lights ahead. If the intensity also is to be not kept at 0 but has to be kept at a little less intensity, we have a switch here which can give a less intensity to the road so that it is not completely kept dark, so that when somebody comes, the intensity will go on increasing. The intensity will go on increasing only. So this is also, it has also a second mode of operation. Either we can keep the road completely dark, or we can have a very low intensity, and where the intensity will go on automatically changing based on the approaching vehicle. Thank you.